Hi guys, here is how you can set up free VPN on your iPhone. Tap on Settings and go to General. Scroll down and tap on VPN and Device Management. Tap on VPN and add VPN configuration. In the type, we will choose L2TP. Tap on it. And now we require these informations to be filled. We will be using VPN Gate. Open Safari and search for VPN Gate. So this is the website. Open it, and here are the free VPN. You can use it. Let's try the first one. This is Japan VPN. So we need this MS SSTP. Let's copy this. Copy it. In description, I will write Japan VPN, so it is easier for me to remember. In server, just paste the MS SSTP. For the account, we will write VPN. The password is also VPN. And the secret is also VPN. This is done and OK. And here is Japan VPN. Tap on it and try to connect it. And you can see it is connected. To check if it is working or not, I will quickly search what's my country. I see the captcha, maybe because I'm using the VPN. Let me pass the captcha. Now let's go to the site, and you can see our country is Japan. So please do give it a try. By the way, on VPN Gate website, let me go back. You can see lots of free VPN links. Use as per your requirements. Thank you very much.